Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your XM4s have enough battery and are fully powered off. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is disabled on nearby devices so they don't reconnect. You'll press and hold the power button until the voice says power off. That prevents partial states. If your unit has a recessed reset hole, get a paperclip ready now. These steps clear active connections and prepare the headphones to accept the reset command, which avoids failed attempts and saves time. You now perform the factory reset sequence. Press and hold the power button and the NC/ambient button simultaneously for about 7 to 10 seconds. This combination triggers the internal reset routine. During this time, pay attention. The indicator will flash blue and you'll hear a voice prompt confirming initialization. If your model uses a recessed reset, carefully insert the paperclip and press for 5 to 7 seconds until lights flash. This erases pairing info and returns core settings to defaults. Finally, turn the headphones back on and enter Bluetooth pairing mode. You'll see a flashing indicator and hear a voice prompt. Then pair from your phone or laptop's Bluetooth list as usual. If you don't get audio, unpair and restart your device, check system and app volumes, then repair. If the reset didn't take, update firmware through Sony headphones Connect or repeat the reset sequence. One key troubleshooting tip: if pairing still fails, fully restart both devices and try again. This clears lingering Bluetooth caches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.